Hi, I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax, and today we're walking through the 45 Divergence from Ocean Alexander. This thing is amazing. 45 feet long with 1,400 horsepower. Those are quad Verados, 350 each. The surfaces are all painted, so you can get this just about any color you want. This is a unique patented system from Ocean Alexander. Both sides fold out and fold up, and then when they're in the up position you have a door like that. Starting at the transom, we've got a shower, we've got your shore cord here, which is on its own cable master. Now this boat has storage here. You can get this done in a live well. You can set it up for dive tank storage. Of course, you have a sink with a pull-out shower as well, and rod holders. And this color, I don't know how well it's coming through on the video, but it is just this beautiful champagne color. And all the work is what you'd expect from OA. Everything is just overbuilt and high quality. These seats, very comfortable. Seat 6. The backrest on this one, this is the forward seat, slides back and forth so you can set up and watch TV when you have the TV popped out. And here we've got a complete outdoor kitchen. Sink, and of course your 2-burner stove and your grill. And of course you can get a griddle for that as well. You got your cooler drawers, storage, all through here, storage. Now what's neat is this table goes completely flush into the floor. So these 2 doors fold out, table drops down, and you have a clean area back here. More storage and fish boxes throughout. Moving up to the bow here. These 3 cushions come off, and this rises up to be a table, so you can sit out here. There's an awning that sets up out here, and you've got a really comfortable seat for when you're cruising. The boat cruises at 33 knots very comfortably. At 30 knots, you've got about a 300-mile range. And you've got your ice maker. 3 custom chairs. The center is electric, moves fore and aft. And that's your Optiplex system. From here you can run the whole boat. And now everything comes on. And of course, you've got your joystick, you've got your bow thruster, Garmin VHF, one thing you should take a look at as we walk through the cabin, all the windows in here. And even a little skylight. Sink, drawers, and a little drink cooler. Fusion control right there. Lots of little cabinets. Behind you here, or all the way forward, you've got this little area to tuck in under if you want to lay down. But also there's a little panel up there that swings down and becomes the backrest for this area, which has a beautiful table. Coolest thing about the cabin, full-size head and shower. So even though, I don't know if you can call this boat a center console, but it's certainly got the nicest head in its class. And all the fit and finish throughout is really yacht quality. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Tom Houtenbrink with MarineMax. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button to get more like it. Don't forget to give us a like, and have a great day.